Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to be going over test number 7, reading section number 1 in the official College Board Blue Book Study Guide. So go ahead and turn to page 762 to, again, the first reading section of test number 7. Great. So once we're there on page 762, let's get started. So like all reading sections, we start off with these sentence completions. Number 1. Like many other groups of people in the United States who have needed laws to blank equal rights, Americans with disabilities have had to blank legislation addressing their concerns. So, first of all, let's kind of look at this second blank right here, because that's going to give us the most kind of contextual clues as to what type of word we're looking for. So, Americans with disabilities have had to blank legislation addressing their concerns. What does legislation mean again? It means law, right? So, are they going to want laws that address their concerns, or are they going to not want them? They're obviously going to want them, right? So, for the second part, we need some type of word that means, wanting or trying to get in terms of that. So if we look here, lobby for, that definitely works, right? Especially in terms of law, right? Because to lobby for a law means that you're really trying to get a law to pass, right? Enact, this could also potentially work, right? They are also trying to enact or create or, activate some sort of law. Consolidate means to bring together. That one doesn't really make sense in this context, right? How about contend with? Contend with means really to fight with or to kind of duke it out with. It doesn't really make sense in this context, right? And then ratify. You can definitely ratify legislation. That also means to, again, pass it or to make it, into a real law. So this one will definitely work as well. So we're down to A, B, and E. So then we want to go to the first blank, right? So like many other groups of people in the U.S. who have needed laws to blank equal rights, are they going to want to guarantee their equal rights, preclude them, which means to, not include them actually, and or suppress them, which means to bring them down? They're obviously going to want to guarantee them, right? So that's why A is going to become the best answer choice. Great. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2. The cafe attracts a blank clientele. A startlingly heterogeneous group of people collects there. So the key word here to see is heterogeneous, right? And again, knowing our roots, what does the word hetero mean? It means different, right? Different or variety. So what type of clientele does it have then? It has a heterogeneous clientele, meaning that they're not all of one type or that they're not all the same type of person, right? They're very different. So that's why out of these, which one here means having a different group? It's going to be motley, right? Motley means,